Oh my god, this thing is so huge! Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be super awesome because I have something very special to show you all. Now this is something very different than what I usually do on my channel. If you guys remember, a few months back I've already made a video on this special mattress from this company called as Flow. At that time they've sent us their Ergo variant mattress which was very soft and made of memory foam. So I've been using that mattress for such a long time and I really like that product. It was very soft and really comfortable. And in today's video they've sent us two more new mattresses guys, but this is not the same Ergo variant. This one is called as the Ortho variant. So this special ortho mattress has been made specially for people who need orthopedic support. You know, for people who have back problems or spine problems. For those people, doctors recommend orthopedic mattresses, right? This one is specially made for that purpose. So in this video what I'll be doing is I'll unbox it, show you the quality of this mattress and also compare it with the Ergo variant and show you the differences between both of them. So let's get started with the video. So here's a brand new mattress from Flow. They come vacuum sealed in this type of box packing. You've got the Flow branding at the top and has all the instructions on the box itself on how to open and use it. Alright, that's it about the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. By the way guys, the company has sent us two mattresses for review. One for me and the other one is for my dad. If you guys don't know, my dad does tech videos in Telugu. If you're interested, I'll just leave a link to his channel in the description box below. So this one is a queen size 75 by 60 inches while the other one is the 75 by 72 inch king size model. And both of them are ortho variants. Okay, so let's unbox this one first and take the mattress out. The mattress comes tightly rolled up in the box just like the Ergo variant. I have to say the company does a really good job in packing and delivering their mattress. The first time when I received their mattress, I was like really surprised because we usually don't get that big mattresses in such a compact box. The benefit is that it makes carrying very easy, especially for the people who live in apartments. But guys, there's one thing I'd like to tell you. Once you unbox it, tear the packaging and take the mattress out, there is no way you can roll it back and pack it. It's absolutely not possible to do that. Okay, so let me remove this out of packing and show you the mattress. Here it is, a brand new mattress from Flow. It comes vacuum sealed and nicely rolled up like this. And you can even see the Flow branding over here. This thing is so huge! Alright, let me just tear this out of cover, unroll it and show you this new Ortho variant mattress from the company. Unboxing it was very easy guys. All you needed to do was tear the packaging from one end and unroll the mattress just like this. There you go. This is how my new Ortho variant mattress looks like. I've told you that it comes vacuum sealed, right? So as soon as you unroll it, the mattress automatically starts expanding and regains its original shape and size. You can even hear the sound when you come close to it. That is awesome, right? So what I'll do is I'll just tear this outer cover on the mattress, put it on my bed and be right back to continue the video. And yes, I totally forgot, along with the mattress we even got an accessory packet in the box. Let me show you. So inside this packet you get a thank you note, a warranty card and a user manual. Just like the Ergo variant, even the Ortho mattress comes with 10 years of warranty. Make sure to read that for all the info. There's a Flow branded sticker here and you also get a free Flow branded eye mask in the box. Alright guys, so I've placed this new mattress on top of my bed and this is how it looks like. In terms of looks, the Ortho variant looks exactly the same as my Ergo mattress, except it's got a green color label on it that says it's the Ortho edition, whereas the Ergo model had an orange label. So talking about the design, the Flow mattress has a nice white and blue color combination and comes in various sizes and variants which you can easily select from their website and order as per your requirement. As I've told you earlier, it comes in two models, Ergo and Ortho. Ergo variant is for all the general public who prefer soft and comfortable experience, whereas the Ortho variant is for people who prefer harder orthopedic support for the back. I've already reviewed the Ergo variant long back, you can check it out in the card above. In this video, we'll check out the Ortho variant. So first let me tell you about the design and the quality of this mattress. Both the Ergo and Ortho mattresses are 6 inches thick. They share the same 5 inches of base layer made up of the proprietary flow responsive foam that gives a great support to your back. 90% of their construction is same in both the models. The main difference comes only in the top 1 inch layer of the mattress. The Ergo model has a temperature sensitive memory foam which takes the shape of your body and feels soft and comfortable when you sleep on it. Whereas the Ortho model's top layer is a high resilience foam, which is a bit more firm and provides harder back support to your body. So that is the main difference between both of them. The Flow mattress also comes with a soft, high-quality zippered outer cover that's made of this special fabric called as cashmere fabric. It's also specially treated with aloe vera gel to keep your skin hydrated and fresh. The fabric feels very smooth and soft to touch. Now let me tell you about the cushioning. As I've told you just now, the base layer of the mattress is made up of the proprietary 5-inch flow-responsive foam. This foam is designed in such a way that it accurately responds to the applied pressure. That means the more pressure you try to apply on it, the more it will try to support you. As a result, it gives a great support to your spine. Also, the whole Flow mattress is infused with white gel microcapsules which absorb heat from your body and release it via the 3D airflow fabric. As a result, it keeps your body cool and you won't get that sweaty or feel uncomfortable while sleeping. Now let me show you how it looks from the side. It's a 6-inch thick mattress, and as you can see, it's got this perforated net-like outer cover for 3D airflow. Let me give you a closer look. The Flow mattress has a zippered outer cover, so in case even if anything falls on the mattress, you can easily remove the outer cover, clean those stains and put it back on the mattress. Very convenient, right? Now let me tell you one more awesome feature. It's got zero partner disturbance. So usually in the case of other regular mattresses, when somebody sleeping next to you moves or tosses around, you easily get disturbed. But that is not the case with this one. This mattress is so nicely designed that no matter there's how much disturbance on one side of the bed, the other side is not at all affected. You can see that I've placed a glass of water on the bed, and no matter how much disturbance I try to create by jumping, the water doesn't fall out of the glass. Awesome, right? Now let me tell you about the comfort and what I feel about this Ortho variant. I've been using the Ergo variant since a long time and I could immediately feel the difference when I sat on this Ortho variant. It's slightly a bit more firm and harder compared to my Ergo model. The outer cover, its material and softness, everything is the same, but the main difference comes in the hardness of the cushioning. The high resilience foam on the Ortho variant is a bit more firm and definitely provides harder back support. It's great for people with spine problems or for people suffering from back pain problems. This mattress will offer great orthopedic support and helps you sleep with much more ease. But for general public like me, Ergo was the best. It was soft, cushiony and very much comfortable. So I'll be going back to that one. Well, that was my video on this new Ortho mattress from the company. Let me tell you about the pricing details. Both the Ergo and Ortho models have the same price and are very much affordable compared to the other brands. The pricing starts from 9,989 rupees and goes up depending on the size of the mattress. One more really nice thing is, the company offers you up to 10 years of warranty on this product and also gives you 100 nights of risk-free trial. So after buying it, in case if you're not satisfied with the quality, you can return it back and get a full refund for your purchase. So that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn the differences between the Ergo and the Ortho variant mattresses. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.